Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing Scratch Python. Yeah. So let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this to all your friends. And let's get started. Class. Oh, class. String. And then there, and then there, space, underscore, init, self, itself. Or that init is not the same color as this, huh? Well, yeah. Self.str1 equals nothing. Self.str1 equals nothing. Nothing. Well, yeah, this. Let's look at now get underscore string. Def. Yep. Underscore. No, underscore string. And if you don't know how to get Visual Studio Code, yeah, search it up. Because I downloaded Visual Studio Code, and it took me a while to download it. But yeah, just how to do it. That's that. And also make sure to watch my other videos. Yeah, let's get back. And then let's do string. No, self. Boom and boom. Enter. Spell. And self.str equals input. And self.str1. This equals input. String. And then let's go to the next line. Next line. Good. Def print underscore string. Underscore string. Def print underscore string. And then self. Self. Boom. No, not two. Wait. And then enter. Print. And print result is print. So is that's the results. The results. Now it's gonna show where the result is. So what? No, so and then that str one dot str1 dot upper. Yes. Now we got that, and let's enter, and then str string str1 actually equals string string. Oh no, wait! I spelled it wrong. String. 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 Ring. Okay. Was string. Enter. And then str1. Dot get underscore string. Get underscore string. And then we're gonna do this bracket. Enter. str dot print underscore string. str1 dot print and underscore string. String. And there we go. Now let's see. Huh? It's not working. Why is it not working? I think the defs have to be on the same level. Yeah, they have to be on the same level. It's on the code. Yeah, they're all on the same level. And then so gotta go a little bit like that. And then this cell gone right. This cell and a little bit too back. And so you guys don't get bored, I'm gonna speed. I'm gonna pause and make it faster so you guys don't have to wait. Okay, guys. So I fixed it, and yeah. And if I was going too fast, you can pause the video, and you can pause the video and do this. And I'm gonna go look what's going on here, and then interesting. 5. Result is 5. Good. That's what's supposed to be. Yes. It's interesting 4. Result is 4. Yes. Space right there. Let's put space right there. Do that. Enter string 4. Result is 4. So, that was all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.